Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily add a photo widget to the home screen of absolutely any iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes under the video. Also write comments after watching and be sure to subscribe to our channel. So, dear friends, let's get down to this interesting topic. First of all, friends, you will need to click on an empty space, an empty field on your home screen. Press and hold it down until all your icons and app icons start to shake like this. This means you're moving on to widget creation. Next, you'll need to click on the plus sign on the top left side in order to move on to widget creation. And here you can either, as in my case, find the sheet photo widget, or if it's not there in this big square one, then you can go down and just click on the photos in the list. No matter which method you choose, you just go to the photo widget. So you can choose either the first option, it's going to be a particular single photo. You can choose how it's going to look, how big this widget is going to be, whether it's horizontal or whether it's going to be square. Or friends, usually I recommend to choose already widget, photo album widget. And further, I will explain to you how it is more convenient. So you can also choose the size and how your widget will look like. Once you choose it, click on Add Widget at the bottom. And now friends, look, if you've selected an album, then you have the option to click on your photo. And here edit which photos you want to see on your photo widget. If you chose the first option, which is one photo, then logically, you will have one photo on your home screen all the time. So friends, if you have chosen album, then please click on your photo widget. And then, as you can see, it says favorite album, that is the photo. And then you can edit, for example, the album that you want to show on your home screen. To do that, click on the album name, and you'll see a whole list of all the folders that you have on your gallery on your iPhone. And you can choose any one of them to keep the photos changing. Or you can also create your own album. To do that, first, just tap on the empty field. That way you see you're anchoring the photo widget that you've already added. Then go to the gallery. Then at the bottom, click on Albums. And at the top left, click Plus and New Album. Now you will just need to name it something. And then click Save. And now friends, you will need to choose any photos that you like from this album. To add to it, it can be absolutely any photos that you prefer. Once you've finished adding photos to this album, you'll just need to click Done at the top, and the album will be ready. Now exit the gallery, click again on the empty field so that the icons shake. Then click on your photo widget. Then click on the album name and select the album you just created. Then just go back. Now as you can see friends, my photo has changed. And throughout the day, the photos will change. This will make your photo widget more interesting. Friends, this is how you can easily add a photo widget to your home screen on absolutely any iPhone. I really hope this video was helpful and useful to you friends. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes and comments. Bye bye.